Okay, action.
Hey everyone, I'm outside of the greatest thrift store in America, the world. I'm gonna buy a bunch of miscellaneous items and see which ones work the best. So let's go. Hi everyone. Mom? Alright, we're back from the thrift store and we found some very good items. The first thing we're going to start out with is this. What I'm thinking is it's a milk frother, and it definitely had some more attachments at one point, but I don't have those anymore. So it looks like all we can do with this is froth milk. I didn't change the batteries, and when I press this button, nothing happens. So give me a minute. All right, light works. So we're gonna froth some Good and Gather vanilla almond milk. Now, the food items that I have to use with my kitchen appliances are very minimal. We're running out. When I say we, I mean Cam, because this is in my apartment. But I feel like it'll work.
Doesn't feel right with the lights on.
I feel like it's supposed to be electronic.
Press the button again, maybe.
Hold it down. Or maybe you just...
Now.
Maybe that's why they gave it to the thrift shop. Well, I'm gonna rate the Creative Cafe Milk Frother a 5 out of 10. I'm gonna give it a 5 because aesthetic-wise, I think the black and teal works really well. As a child, I would be attracted to this, and I know that because I was attracted to it as a 19-year-old girl. I give it 5 points off because the light works, but the machine doesn't. It did give me some bubbles. Tastes great. A little aeration. Let's move on. Alright, the next item is a real kicker, and it is the Kitchen Magician. It's a conveyorized food cutter with automatic feed, which means you put your veggie in here and you kind of just shove it in there, and then as you twist this, it grinds. So the thrift store was generous enough to sell this to me for $3.99 with these two attachable pieces, and I think we're going to start with this one. Here we run into the food problem again because we don't have any vegetables to grind. So I'm gonna grind this piece of baby bell cheese. So I think you just stick the silver part in here and it just attaches. When I was younger, I didn't know you're supposed to take the wax off. And my first experience with the baby bell cheese was me biting into the wax, and then I threw it under my sister's bed.
No, you did not.
It was so bad and I didn't know what to do with it. That's why I'm a vegan now. Throw the cheese in.
Does it like...
Oh, the cheese.
Maybe put it on the top? Is there like a compartment?
No, this is definitely it. You just have to smush it in there.
Maybe don't close it as hard. Yeah, that's working.
Look at that cheese shred. Oh yeah, Kitchen Magician, work your magic.
Wait, it's actually doing it.
Look at that shred. Do you want to try the cheese?
Yeah.
Is it good? If we had more cheese, I think this would be a little bit more effective, but you know, for a little piece of baby bell. I think this was pretty good. Let's try the other attachment. Okay.
There we go.
Oh, look at the chunk! It's like a wave, an ocean wave. Imagine that with a carrot. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. I think I subtracted a point because I got a little confused, but Cam taught me that you just twist the handle here and these just pop out, but it took a long time for me to figure that out, so I'm gonna deduct a point. Otherwise, this thing's awesome and requires no battery power. So, let's move on. Okay, next item, mini sewing machine. Oh, incredible! It even came with a mini sewing box for all of your sewing goods. Ah, in 3 colors, white, black, and purple. Yeah, this is fantastic. Oh my gosh, and it gives you fabric. Okay, so it looks like this is a little foot press. I feel like the girl or boy who used this previously got kind of upset. Sewed this, put it back in the box, and said no more. But it's okay, we're gonna try to up his or her game. So it looks like you plug the little foot pedal into the back of this.
You're definitely gonna need batteries.
My mom would be so proud if I could figure this out.
Okay, wait, so you have to put the string through.
We have thread, we have a needle. Okay, stitches look funny. Well, we haven't gotten that far. How to cut?
Get started.
Okay.
I think I have better luck with putting things in holes. I am so close. This is why I'm going to school to be a surgeon.
Cam, you're in the art school.
Take what?
Like 7, but I think this should work.
Wait, push it, like, actually use the foot pedal.
I've been doing this for an hour and I can't figure out how to sew. So whatever little girl or boy did this, I'm so impressed.
That thing is kicking our asses.
But we'll pick it up later. Next, a girl code karaoke machine. And not only is this karaoke machine equipped with all of these things and a mini TV screen, but whoever decided to donate it left a luxury Miranda Lambert CD in the CD player, so we don't even need to buy a CD or any other CDs for that matter, because all we need is Miranda Lambert. You know, that's easy. Mic 1, boom. Okay, CD is in. We go to play, program 1, and we're gonna turn up the volume mic to max. And we're also gonna
Wait, say something.
Huh?
Say it.
Wow. Oh, 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 ooh. You get the limo out front. Okay.
Wait, did you clean the mic?
Oh.
This is the best thing ever!
Hey. you guys doing tonight? You guys having a good night out there? Enjoying your drinks? Look at the stars. This house built me.
Why did that kind of hit though?
What just took over you?
I give the karaoke machine a 15 out of 10 because not only will it let me practice my podcasting skills and ASMR, but I think I just found a new version of myself through that Miranda Lambert song. Okay, let's move on. Second to last item is this vintage hairdryer. And it's kind of incredible. This thing was $10, and I don't really know how it works, but I'm pretty sure you just clip this in here like that, and then you lift this little part up, and look, there's a hair dryer, and in this little plug here. So you go like this, you lock it in there, and then you undo this clip, and when your hair's wet, you just strap that on in there, and then
That looks terrifying.
you turn on this. I mean, come on!
Is it working?
I'm gonna wet my hair real quick so we can get full use of this. Okay, alright, this is my inspiration. I think you just stick it all in there. Dry?
No.
It looks terrible. Alright, well, I think because this is probably from many years ago.
What did it say online?
I didn't. But it's definitely old. So I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. Because I think it's cool, but it didn't really dry my hair. Probably because I put it on my head wrong, but I think it was pretty successful. Let's move on. Last but not least, in order of efficiency, I think, I found these hair curlers. And they're hot sticks, so they're like little silicone sticks. I think they just heat up, and you wrap your hair around them, maybe like that, and it'll give you some Shirley Temple curls. So I'm assuming because everything else worked that these will also work.
Said it should start heating up in 2 minutes.
Okay. I guess we'll just wait. Okay, they're actually hot. So let's try it out. So I think you just take a chunk of hair and then wrap it like that. And then kind of twist it in here.
Your face.
Hey, that's not bad.
If you want curls like this, look nowhere else. Conair Hot Sticks. Volume, lusciousness, and style.
Oh.
Alright, well, that sums up this video. I am so shocked that everything worked. I didn't figure out how to use the sewing machine, but that's my bad. I mean, it definitely worked, I just don't know how to sew. And I never took a home ec class, so I have no one to blame but myself. Otherwise, I mean, the milk frother, well, I guess that didn't really work. Everything else worked but the milk frother. So I think this was a pretty successful run, and I really enjoyed myself. And I think this is my alter ego, and I'm gonna name her, who do I look like now?
Kind of
Maybe
like a
like a
Rebecca. Cheryl fits.
This is Cheryl. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.